So Bismillah walhamdulillah wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا إنك سميع مجيب الدعاء. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من علم لا ينفع وقلب لا يخشع ونفس لا تشبع ودعائي لا يسمع. ربنا لا تزغ قلوبنا بعد إذ هديتنا وهب لنا من لدنك رحمة إنك أنت الوهاب. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي آمين. What you see in front of you is actually a dua the Sahaba, the companions, used to do it 6 months before Ramadan. 6 months before Ramadan, not 2 weeks, not 1 week, not 1 day. Allahumma ballighna Ramadan. And he said, Kanu yad'una. That means the companions. They used to supplicate to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala 6 months that Allah will make them live to see Ramadan. And in it also, yuballighuna Ramadan, that also He will make us live to see it, to live it properly to the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants. Meaning, give it its do right. And 6 months after Ramadan, they supplicate to Allah to accept from them. And this is one thing we really have to learn. And it is actually one of the teachings of Sayyidina Ibrahim in the Quran, and you all know this. When he and Sayyidina Ismail were building the Kaaba, what were they doing? رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ وَتُبْ عَلَيْنَا إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ التَّوَّابُ الرَّحِيمُ. They were building the Kaaba. And what more honorable thing you do, right? And in spite of this, in his most beloved place on earth, building his house, they were worried Allah is not accepting it from them. And that's why they were making the dua. So part of the Sahaba teaching and practice is whenever you do any ibadah, any act of worship, don't be so sure that the way you did it that's the way Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wanted, or that's the best way it is done. And that I always have to have this wonder, will Allah accept it from me or not? So that's why one of the reasons, and I'm just going to ask this to make you a little bit wake up with me. What's the first thing you do when you finish salah? What do you say? Right? Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. That's the sunnah. Why? You just finished salah. It was beautiful.
You made a mistake.
Exactly. Because you are acknowledging in the way, you're not saying, Ya Allah, maybe I didn't do it the best. I probably made a mistake. You're doing it in a much more beautiful way, already acknowledging. It's not if, for sure I have not done it the best way. Because you didn't say, Allah forgive me if. You're saying, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah. That means I didn't do it the best way, or maybe I made a minor mistakes, or I wasn't, which most of us, I wasn't there fully with myself. So for them, 6 months, not one time, 6 months after Ramadan, they turn to Allah, Ya Allah forgive us. Ya Allah accept from us. And 6 months before, Ya Allah make us live to see you. So they used to say the whole year were between hoping to live and hoping to be accepted. That's the first thing you all have to put down and look at it. Ya Allah accept from us. And Ya Allah make me live to see it. I hope you are feeling what I am saying. Imagine, and I always say this, imagine mothers. You have a son who's studying in California. And for the whole last year, he didn't come, or she didn't come, whatever the reasons. Too busy, any of these things. No time, had so many things to do. And then he texts you today and says, Mom, I'm coming in 2 weeks. What's going to happen to you? First thing, absolutely happy, right? Smiling, happy. Next thing, you're going to look at your schedule and you're going to remove. I'm not doing this. If you were invited next week, you're going to tell your friends, I'm sorry, I can't come, please forgive me. My son is coming. And your friend will say, absolutely, don't come. Your son is coming. Good, enjoy. Did you see my point? Meaning, the guest that's coming to you, the visitor that's coming to you, you know the value of him or her. You love him or her, and you want to give them their due right. Question for you and me, where is Ramadan? Do I look at Ramadan as the honorable guest that I am waiting for? My opportunity to have the special moments with Allah, with all the beauty of Ramadan. So if you don't, make it. Fake it till you make it. Do it. Tell, I mean it. Keep reminding yourself mentally that this is an amazing opportunity in 2 weeks. and something in you says, what is the big deal about it? I'm going to be hungry for 16 hours, and then I'm going to stand for 2 hours, and I'm not going to sleep enough. You know, all the shaitan tools. And you're going to respond, and then you're going to remind yourself what we will learn